everybody again, it's AJ with Everyday Patio. Today we're going to be doing a freestanding insulated ultra embossed patio cover, and I just wanted to thank you guys again, everyone who's been subscribing, commenting, liking, and keeping the content going. We really appreciate it. This patio cover had 3 builds originally, and I recorded all of them, but it made more sense just to focus on 2 of the builds for today. The third patio we call the pyramid patio, and you're going to see that in the background is basically a 20-foot high pyramid. This one was more of like a lattice, but the wood, because of the spans, were sagging, so they were looking to get this replaced. They had just gotten the house, so it was in their best interest just to upgrade it. So moving forward, we have us just taking apart every beam on this patio. Everyone was incredibly heavy, especially those main support beams. So that's me, my brother, and Brian taking them down and then taking them out to the front. I think it ended up being about 20,000 pounds of wood, and that was the pyramid patio right there. So that's Sadie. That dog is an amazing dog. It can swim, but you can't say the word swim around it unless it's ready to swim. So awesome dog, glad to have it on the job site. Here we're getting up the beams for our patio. We're using the same brackets that were on there before for the open lattice cover. And we're ready for panels. That's the first one going in. So these panels lock together, and then they have like kind of a pre-rain system. So if any water gets in there, it channels it towards the drain. I can go into more depth about this. And here we're doing more complex angle cuts on the panels to make sure they fit around that fireplace that you see. And yeah, it fit in perfectly right there. And then that one, it fit in around the edge. We're putting on gutters on this side to catch any excess drain water, but the patio is going to be draining on the back side primarily. And that's kind of rough markers of where the electrical is going to start going. There's a lot of electrical in this patio, and even columns. These are the Roman columns from the factory, square columns. I really like them, and I think they really went well with this patio cover. Here's the ultra embossed beam going in. And that's us locking up the barbecue patio right there. So I got this on the barbecue patio because it's over their barbecue area. We offset it a little bit so people would be protected from the rain. And then that's the extruded wrap kit going around before we put on the final wrap kit. This is the roll form wrap kit, ultra embossed. So 30-year warranty on the paint. No warping, chipping, cracking, flaking. It really is a great product. That's just me cutting it back to the size that it needs to be and tying it into that other cover to give everything kind of a solid structure. Kind of like a monolithic concrete pour, but a monolithic patio. And those are the lights being put in. So you can pick whatever lights you want, but those are just the standard halo lights we use. Great product and no issues with them. Other brands can tend to have the lights can burn out, etc. These I very rarely have an issue with. And this is a TV mount that I'm building for the patio cover. Basically, it's an insulated panel that's also serving as a TV mount. I used bracing in the back, thorough lags, the homeowner's right there. And I believe her dog's swimming at the time. That's us putting in the TV, and I'm going to be swapping out the screws that I used and replacing them with thorough bolts to make it look cleaner on the other side, because they're going to be seeing the back side of the bracket. But this came out really cool. I moved the plug for them too over to the side so that wouldn't be in the way of the TV. And that's the back bracing I was talking about. and its frame is an extruded frame. So it actually came out really nice. Here's all the lights and everything working. We have the sconces, the halos, the chandeliers. It all came together really great. They're all on dimmers. And even this barbecue patio had its own lights, which you can see the switch on the post right there, the column. And here's one of the final walkthroughs. There's one area there where they're gonna put in a fan. I love how it tied into the barbecue and it still kind of maintained that California room feel. This was really an awesome build. You know, moving forward, I just want to thank everybody that watches these videos. If you have any questions, please ask in the comments below. Subscribe if you're liking the content. I'll keep putting out more content like this and showing kind of what we do on an everyday basis. And that's the third patio up there, by the way. That's that I didn't focus on too much in this video. Thank you, everybody. I can't thank you enough for what you've all been doing. If we can get up to 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna start doing live videos of the jobs, which I think everyone would kind of like. It'd give you an insight of while we're doing it before we go into editing. So that's kind of the goal right now. Thank you, and I hope you have a good day. Everyday Patio out.